Alright guys, so here's a follow-up video on my 1988 Porsche 928 dash repair video. This is the second video. The first video I showed you the cracks, where I fill in the cracks on the dash. And here we are a few days later, and everything has been filled in, sanded, dyed, and blended, and wanted to give you guys an idea of what the repair looks like afterwards. There was a fairly significant crack here at the corner of the glove box. That's typical on these dashes on any 928, so that looks pretty good. And then along the top here where the vents are, there was a whole slew of cracks there, and you can see for the most part it looks really good. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's 100% better than the cracks that were there before. And we tried our best to blend and dye. It's tricky, of course, but at least the repair looks good. And for the most part, if you didn't know it was cracked there, it'd be hard to really tell. And you can see some of the cracks up here closer to the glass. That came out really well. There was some cracks back here behind the gauge console, the cluster. That worked out really well. Luckily the console can be dropped down to give better access. So anyway, wanted to show you guys the repair afterwards. I think it's quite a marked improvement, and I'm very pleased. We'll see how well the Polyvance holds up to time and you know, weather, and then of course driving the car, vibrations and such. But happy to report back, at least for the time being, it looks like it's going to be was a worthwhile effort, and definitely do recommend it. So if you guys have a 928 with a cracked dash, give it a shot. I think you'll be very happy, both on the cost, but also the level of effort is not bad at all. So hope this helps. Hope everybody's well. Take care. Bye.